there are a few reasons why people don't want to start, because they don't want to start small. They don't want to realize that their first try is horrible. They don't want to see that they will have to do a lot of work and learn and study and practice and improve. They don't want to do that. They have a big busy schedule already, and they don't have the time to do this. It's really very challenging to put into place the routine that will help them to reach greatness. And on the other side, I would like to say, just accept to start small, because the greatest have started small, and they have practices. They have practiced, and they have done the work. If you start small, you're gonna have very solid foundations. This is great for your project, and you will become an expert. And if you start small, you will develop whatever you would like to develop into greatness. But it has to start at point zero. So it's fine. It's actually fine. And the last one is, don't fall in the trap of perfectionism, because it's not helping you to realize your project. So just start, just do it, and move forward, just like I'm doing right now. Even if I know it's not perfect, I know this is just the beginning, but I also know, I have seen the videos of a lot of YouTubers, their first video, and the way they were in their first video, and the way they are right now is just day and night. So, just do the work and you will see it.